got a thermal here, hitting the speed bar to catch up to him. Get out of this sink. Oh yeah, there's some debris flying by. Rodney's beelining it out of here. He must have topped out. Okay, I was following Rodney. I just found another one. I'm still just on the outskirts of town here. And there's a small core here it's climbing. Around 300, a little over 300 feet per minute.
Nice, guys. Nice.
They are really, really high over the main field. I think they're over the field. And Marvin, no, he's not off. I can help him.
Okay, we topped that out pretty much. Getting on speed. Rodney's in some lift there. I'm gonna take advantage of this lift, get a little more height. Lost 300 feet on that glide. I'd like to recover it. It's light, very light. Robin, it's looking like the same place. Oh man, what a flight, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it was so close. We had a few hundred more feet. I think we could have worked that off, man. Good flying.
Nice.
That was awesome. Hey guys, I was working on this video today and Marvin just sent me his flight log from the flight that day. So check this out. Here's his altitude profile. He got up to, let me bring a cursor up here, over 4,500 feet. Look at that, 4,500 feet in that thermal, which is right here. You can see when I move the cursor that shows it. So he had an awesome flight. And you'll see that's the same thermal that Rodney and I took up. This was just an amazing day. But he was able to go one extra thermal, and it's a pretty amazing flight. Here's Google Earth. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see. I'm going to pan down. Here's where we launched. This is two flight tracks, actually. This is my flight log and the Marvin's. So you'll be able to see where he left us in the dust. This is our launch. The riverbed's down here. So we were both able to pick up the thermal over the riverbed, take it back up to launch. We shot across town. We took different sides of town. But I went this way with Rodney, caught a thermal here, took it up, and went further down the road. Marvin, just behind us, came out over these rice fields and went up in a heck of a thermal there. That's an awesome climb right there. I'm going to pan up some more. I want to zoom in just to see that because it's good. Look at all the turning in that thermal there. That's a lot of circling. And we made a beeline. I went over this town again with the football field, and I landed in this field with Rodney. And that's when we packed up the gliders and looked up, and we saw Marvin over here. He was still about 3,000 feet up. We saw him heading for the border. That's the border of Panama. And look at this. There's a college up here he was planning on landing at, but he caught another thermal. Look at this thermal. Up he went. And I think when he caught that, he knew he was going further. And here's the border town. This is Costa Rica. This is Panama. He couldn't cross, but he did go further south. We had quite an adventure chasing him until he landed up here. Let's go right to Marvin to see what he had to say about this.
Bueno, aquí estoy arriesgando mi teléfono, pero esta vara vale la pena filmarlo. Estoy volando sobre la frontera Costa Rica, Panamá, en un vuelo de 17 kilómetros y a 1060 metros de altura. Espectacular mi país. observar la frontera. Los trailers allá abajo. El 8 que me va a marcar la próxima térmica. Ahí va. Nos vemos.
So we're near the border crossing over here on our way to pick up Marvin. Wow, this is crazy. Where is he?
He's way out there.
Okay, definitely we have no potential.
Oh yeah, now I can show you.
Where?
All the way up front. You see it?
Oh,
Maybe on another side. Oh, awesome.
Marvin!
Oh no, there's a people here.
Yeah, he's gonna land right here. Look at that. Ow! Marvin's back. We can hear him screaming. Yeah, Marvin!
Tengo ganas de llorar, ma, y todo, ma.
Man, good going. What a flight,
man.
What a flight.
Whoa, man.
My turn.
You covered some ground, Marvin.